back in order, guys. Hey.
So we in the Uber. In the Uber to Venice Beach. Venice Beach just arrived in Los Angeles. He needs to put the chair. Alright, cool.
Okay, now. Thank you.
That's just Kim, the main man.
Let me do the.
No.
Let me do. Oh.
You have a massive. Dude, you have a massive zit on your middle of your face. Yeah. So I don't know if you want to. If you want to.
Me to, but that is
sea
roof
will
right now.
cure it.
Yeah.
We about to get 5 steaks between us, so.
David, what you get?
I got polenta cake.
Polenta cake.
Polenta. I don't know what it is.
He does. But
It's a cake.
it looks bomb. It looks bomb. And this guy eating like a Tito. Tito. Berita po.
Bastang kapurad natin dyan.
Hidup nga.
That's about the chicken breast.
He's about to chow down. You got steak. He got steak. He got steak. What'd you get?
What?
What'd you get?
Swordfish.
Swordfish.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
My name is Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So we made it to Santa Monica Pier and it looks freaking amazing. I'll show you right now. So that's the Ferris wheel we're supposed to go on before it goddamn closed, because we decided to walk all the way here, which is an hour and a half.
But we quit.
But we quit not even halfway through.
We quit after 5% of the walk. And we got.
What's your vlog?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Josh Kim. I'm here in Santa Monica Bay right now and down the pier. Just having a few fucking drinks. I got my Coke Diet, Coke Zero with a bit of JD, Soda's Benz, and Soda's Jericho has PBR. We're getting fucking lit. So what I'm doing here right now is tying up my fucking Vans, like for my fans. And we're gonna head back to the hotel, get more drinks.
Imagine I actually put this on the vlog. What are you gonna say?
I'm just saying. Can I be the vlog? Anyways.
Can I be the vlog?
hotel. This is our hotel. Oh, shit. We all got cookies. We all got cookies. Got cookies. We got cookies.
Huh? Where are you right now? We'll find you. Shabu. Yeah, outside. Outside where? Outside the hotel. At the front. Okay, we went to the
garden place. So we're here at Doubletree and we ended up, I don't know, China's I don't know what this is, but we went ground floor and we ended up here. So we're at Doubletree by Hilton. This is where we're staying, right down smack in the middle of LA. So we were just waiting for David to get food.
Here he is.
Here he is. Here he is with his bomb. Right now we're gonna get food. Yo, bro, we saw a sick place, man. Some Chinese garden looking thing.
Yeah, Kyoto garden.
Fucking nice.
Later.
Yeah. So it looks like we're heading straight to Chinatown. That's where we're gonna get food. Yeah, this trip has been very Asian orientated. We've eaten a lot of Chinese foods, and it's not gonna change on our last few days. Never. It's gonna remain the same. We have the two guys over there. And David. I got 4 minutes of footage left. So this long bit, we're going to talk about where we are today.
My main man.
So I got 4 minutes, make that 3. I want to talk about where we are, what we're doing today, and with my friend Justin over here. Main man, Justin. Alright, where are we right now?
So right now,
Oh shit.
Get low. Good morning, guys. My name is Josh. Here's David. Fuck. Okay, I'm very new to this vlogging scheme, but I can talk to the camera like I'm talking to myself. I know what it is. See Jericho there in the background? Hail ye. Alright. So we are in the Los Angeles Mall. You see there? And we're currently waiting for the owner of this camera to come out of the shop. Is this too close to my face? No, is this too close to my face? This is called the Rose for Lily. So Lily gave 50 million euros to fund this project of LA, and they built the Disney World concert hall.
lunch with my sister. They were going all the way to Santa Monica Beach Pier, Santa Monica Pier, and I'm headed towards that direction where the buildings are. All right, so after lunch with my sister, I came back to the hotel. He was sleeping.
Hell yeah.
I went to sleep. And the other three lads told us they were gonna be at Griffith, so we're here now. Now all we gotta do is find them. There's no cell reception. My phone has cell reception,
in the dark,
but
it
it doesn't have roaming calls, so good luck finding them. But for now, enjoy the view. Hey.
Take me in your arms.
What's up, man?
I'm begging you, please.
Guys.
Take me in your arms. Ooh.
Thank you. Right. So we arrived at Staples Center and the convention center. And apparently there's a governor's ball and a BTS concert on, so we can't get in. So we can't get a selfie with Kobe or LeBron. So
We'll just Photoshop ourselves.
we'll try. We just Photoshop ourselves. And we're gonna go to the next place, I guess. Right, so we got in. We got into Gold's Gym, which is dope as fuck right now. I don't know, we're not gonna work out or anything. We're just kind of just in here just to see and chill. But there's their pool, which is sick. There's bands he got into.
Baby, when I look into your eyes, I see paradise in you. Oh, baby, when I look into your eyes, I see paradise in you.
Inside.